Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can order shoes from Alibaba. So first you need to search Alibaba and you need to open the first website. So once this website is open, you simply need to search for men shoes. Click on enter and here you can see a lot of variety. Here you can see an option of chat. Now if you want to chat with the supplier, you simply need to click on that. But if you want to buy items directly without any conversation, here you can see our to cart option. So with these shoes we have our to cart option. We simply need to click on that and here we need to select the quantity. So I'm going to add 20 pairs of these shoes. I think 22 is best. Click on add to cart and now this shoes is added into my cart. Let me go back and click on the cart on the top right. So once you are here, you simply need to select the shoes, click on checkout, and on this page, we need to click on submit order. Once we click on that, we need to add payment method as well and click on submit order. Once we click on that, our order will be placed. So this is the process how you can order shoes from Alibaba. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.